how to enter the information, how to do the reconciliations, how to prepare the profit and loss statement, how to prepare the balance sheet, and all that. And we're really happy to have your students on board with us, and we find this as our responsibility to train students and help them with the employment as part of the community where possible. And we are always looking to work with you in future. So please send us, let us know. We will try to accommodate as many students as we could physically. So we are growing actually. We are starting a new practice, and that will open up few more spots. So by the Jan 1st, we are starting a new LLP, and there is going to be more than one accountant, and we are actually hiring more bookkeepers. And hopefully, if you have anybody who is interested, let us know. We'll train them, see if we could retain any of it. It's really nice working with you. You guys are always, whenever we get call away, I guess, whenever we call, we need help, or, we need a student. Whenever we find a spot, okay, this is a slow time, we can fit a student, we can train somebody. You always send somebody, and we are glad and we are thankful to you for that.